Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Claude artifacts not showing or not opening using these simple steps. If your separate display boxes, preview windows, or generated document sheets are failing to pop up on your monitor, these easy steps will repair your layout views so you can view and use your assets instantly. Step 1. Check the feature toggle settings inside your account options. The first step is to open your regular internet browser window, log into your user profile, and make sure the interactive asset window option is actually switched on. Move your mouse cursor to the upper left section of your browser screen, select the option labeled Artifacts. Step 2. Clear your web browser's main settings panel to wipe away old stuck background data files that are interfering with your display layout. Press the keys Ctrl-Shift-Delete on Windows or Command-Shift-Delete on a Mac. Choose the option to clear temporary cached images and files and click the Clear button. Set the time range box to wipe out all time history data. Hit Enter to clear the rows, and then press your browser's reload icon to refresh your open tabs. This step matters because your internet browser saves tiny bits of image and script code to help pages load faster during your daily tasks. If the platform updates its layout rules on the web server, your browser might try to read its old saved memory files instead of loading the fresh layout code. Wiping this temporary storage cache gives the web platform a clean canvas to render the sliding view windows flawlessly. Step 3. Turn off restrictive browser extensions and page blockers. The third step is to check your browser's upper tool row and temporarily turn off any active script blockers or ad filtering shields that might be stopping the window blocks from loading correctly. Click on the puzzle piece symbol in the upper right section of your browser display view, select your active script blockers or privacy shields, and click the main power switch to turn them completely off for this specific website. Refresh your page view once more using your keyboard layout rows and verify that no shield icons are showing red warnings. This is the most important part because high security filters or content blocking extensions view the sliding asset windows as unexpected external scripts trying to pop up on your screen layout. By setting an approved rule pass or disabling the blockers on this site, you allow the tool's interface code to draw its custom side panels without getting blocked by your browser's security walls. And that's it. To fix Claude artifacts not showing or not opening, you first open your Profile Feature Preview menu and toggle the artifact switch to active on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to your browser settings to wipe out your temporary cache files and history records on your screen canvas rows to clear stuck data. Then, you disable any active privacy extensions or ad filters that are blocking web page elements from loading correctly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.